You're looking for a place where you can earn like real cash and real money online, then look no further, because I'm really happy you're watching the video right now. Anyways, as you all know, my name is Osas and I'm a tech influencer. I'm a tech guide, and I'll show you how you can earn easy ways, tips and tricks in which you can earn money into your bank account. This is no Ponzi, this is no clickbait, this is no scheme or no any scam. This is a very direct means in which you can actually earn real cash into your bank account. And before we go deep into the video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the share button so that I can also show your friends, your neighbors, your family, and your friends how they can also earn money online. Anyways, before we go deep into the video, then I also want you guys to have the right expectations while watching our videos. Now, tech like media basically helps you to earn money online, but understanding that, also having back in your mind that you can get cash from watching our videos, or trying to get insanely rich from watching our videos or watching videos online and taking surveys or playing games to get insanely rich is almost impossible. But any little cash from these videos or these tips I'm going to give you is very possible, guys. Very possible. Now, having those right expectations, fixing your expectations while watching these videos will not make you lose hope while watching my videos or make you think that this is a Ponzi scheme or anything, but will make you understand that you can actually get more money and save up and also do a lot of things for yourself. Anyways, with that right expectation in mind, I really hope you guys enjoy my video and also watch these various tips and tricks on how you can actually earn real cash online. I really hope you stay till the end of the video. Watch, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Now, the very first app we're going to talk about now is appKarma. Now, appKarma is a very simple and dedicated app to use because it's very simple and direct to use. Now, with appKarma, you can watch videos and earn money. You can download video games and earn while playing. And even social media influencers also use it to earn referral links with affiliates and also other programs they also have with their social media presence. Now, appKarma pays you money to also watch videos and watch ads. Your ads are like 30 seconds and you can earn like 500 points or sometimes less or sometimes more. Now, they don't have a lot of ads or videos for you to watch right here, but you can also use the one you have to also get a little for what you want. Now, this app is what I would suggest to anyone who wants to earn a little or some extra cash to use and also earn to do something for themselves. Trust me, using this app works for those who are in Nigeria and also worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you can use this app. Trust me, this is very good use. Now, the very next app I'm going to talk about right now is Rewardxp. Now, Rewardxp is not a very viral site like that, but you can actually earn money from here by watching videos and also engaging in other tasks, checking out new games and apps, and also taking surveys. And also you can receive your choice of cash by crypto or also gift cards, and you can unlock special features and also gain extra points by doing all of these simple tasks. And Rewardxp can also cash out from also other reliable sources and also support them, and also you can see a lot of reviews, positive reviews from the site, and also who also earn a lot from engaging in this money making app. Now, understandably, Rewardxp can be joined from anywhere around the world, but take note, the video option is limited to some very few countries. So we can actually do some other stuff from Rewardxp by taking surveys and some other tasks, but the videos option is limited to some countries, so you can test it out and try out if your country is listed among those who can use Rewardxp. So engage and engage and engage. But before we go a little further, I want you guys to just take a little bit of time to just hit the like button and subscribe, please, because this is the only way that others can also know about this video and also engage and also earn money like you are doing right now. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is Pico Workers. Now, Pico Workers works for everyone around the world. Now, on this platform, you can actually do a lot of stuff like earn money by doing small tasks or also big tasks, and also earn a little cash from all of these products. Now, Pico Workers basically make you earn money by engaging their platform, by engaging in small tasks and also small gigs, and also watching live videos online. They can earn some little cash and also do a lot of stuff here. Now, take note, some of their ads are not really worth it, or their tags too, so you should be very careful and scrutinize all of their platforms or their ads or their tags so that you won't do something that you would like feel bad about later. So anyway, you can post your jobs, you can also find a job, you can also post links, watch short videos to also earn, like you can see, 0.001 US dollars, 0.020 US dollars, and all the rest. So all of these, yeah, they're a little bit low though, but at least if you add all of this together, at least you can get something reasonable. So Pico Workers is where you can do a lot of stuff, find jobs, post your jobs, and also get money from all of that stuff. So Pico Workers is also something that you can also use, that I would suggest for you to also download that app. Now the name of the tool I'm going to talk about right now is Swagbucks. Now Swagbucks might be popular among all of you guys. I don't really know how many of you guys know about Swagbucks, but it's quite a very viral app. Swagbucks pays you from watching videos online, and you can also find some other learning or earning opportunities right here. But majorly it talks about earning money by watching videos online. Now you can also find things like surveys and other things, but take notes. Please take note of what I'm about to say right now. The videos options is restricted to some countries. It's available for almost all countries, but the videos options is quite restricted, and those it's majorly available for those in the US, in the UK, Canada, Germany, Ireland, Spain, France, Australia, and some other countries too. So take notes. This Swagbucks can be downloaded by everybody worldwide, but the videos option is available for these countries which I just previously mentioned. So take note, Swagbucks can be entertainment purpose. You can also use this to also do a lot of stuff by taking surveys and other things. And you can use it and earn it to cash by yourself, and also engage with other people, and also people around the world to also earn from them with them too. So Swagbucks is also a recommendation from me. Now the name of the last one I'm going to talk about right now is Timebucks. Now Timebucks is a get paid to earn site, and you can also earn from here by watching videos, taking surveys, taking tags, and also installing apps, and also doing a lot of stuff for tax right here. Now Timebucks, you can earn daily bonuses, earn instantly through referral programs, and also have weekly payouts, and also friendly support staff who can also guide and support you in your earning programs. Now you can check out the good reviews about this app. You can engage in a lot of stuff that can actually help you to earn a lot of money from here. Now take notes, you can earn cash basically from watching videos. I think Timebucks actually has the highest payouts from watching videos, because they actually pay a lot from watching those engaging videos. Now understandably, Timebucks is available in all countries. No matter where you are, Timebucks is available for you. So this is a very, very engaging one. That's why I saved it best for the last. Timebucks is one of my top 1 recommended platforms on which you can earn money.